What if I told you there is a stone on earth that millions try to kiss, that some call a miracle, some call a meteorite, and others misunderstand completely? Is it worship? Is it history? Is it a sign from heaven? Tonight, we uncover the mystery of Al-Hajr al-Aswad, the black stone of the Kaaba. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear may change the way you see it forever. Where is the black stone? Inside the holiest site in Islam, the sacred mosque of Mecca, stands the Kaaba, located in Mecca, Saudi Arabia, inside Masjid al-Haram. At the eastern corner of the Kaaba, about 5 feet above the ground, embedded in silver, is the black stone. Today, it consists of several broken pieces held together in a silver frame. Millions pass by it every year during Hajj and Umrah. Some kiss it, some touch it, some simply point toward it. But why? The origin story Islamic tradition tells us. When Prophet Adam, A.S., first descended to earth, Angel Jibril, A.S., taught him the rites of Hajj. Adam and Hawa met again at the mountain of Arafat. From Arafat to Muzdalifah, from Muzdalifah to Mina, then to Mecca. And they performed tawaf around the Kaaba generations later. When Prophet Ibrahim, A.S., and his son Ismail, A.S., rebuilt the Kaaba, they were given this special stone. Some narrations say it came from paradise. It was placed in the eastern corner, marking the starting point of tawaf. Is it a meteorite? Here is where history and science meet. Some secular historians suggest the black stone could be a meteorite, a rock from space. Meteorites survive impact with Earth. They burn in the atmosphere. They glow like shooting stars. Desert regions, including Arabia, have meteorite history. But here is the truth. No scientific testing has ever been allowed. The stone cannot be removed, so its exact material remains unknown. Some describe it as basalt, others as volcanic stone. Its surface is worn smooth from centuries of touch. Its color? Reddish-black, with small red and yellow particles. Mystery remains. The 929 incident. In the year 929, a radical sect known as the Carmatians attacked Mecca. They stole the black stone. They kept it for over 20 years. They hoped Muslims would follow the stone. But something surprising happened. Pilgrimage continued. Tawaf continued. Worship continued. Because Muslims do not worship the stone, eventually the stone was returned. This event proved something powerful. The faith was never in the stone. The faith was always in Allah. Do Muslims worship the black stone? This is the biggest misunderstanding. People see Muslims kissing the stone and ask, isn't that idol worship? But listen carefully. The second caliph, Umar ibn al-Khattab, R.A., once kissed the stone and said publicly, I know you are only a stone. You cannot harm or benefit anyone. Had I not seen the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, kiss you, I would not have kissed you. Clear, direct, powerful. The Prophet, peace be upon him, kissed it. So Muslims follow his example, not worship, respect, love, connection. A kiss is not worship. You kiss your child. You kiss your parents. That is love, not divinity. Tawaf and practical reality. During Tawaf, pilgrims circle the Kaaba 7 times. Each round traditionally begins at the black stone, but millions are present. Not everyone can kiss it. So what do? They simply point toward it. That is enough. Islam never makes the impossible mandatory. The deeper meaning. The black stone is a marker, a starting line, a connection to Prophet Ibrahim, A.S., a connection to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, a symbol of unity.
Every Muslim in the world prays toward the Kaaba, but Muslims do not worship the Kaaba. They worship the creator of the Kaaba. Stone has no power. Only Allah has power. The floating stone. Story. There are narrations about miracles associated with the stone. One story describes an experiment where stones were placed in water and fire. Only the true black stone allegedly floated and did not heat up. These narrations exist in historical literature. But whether miracle or mystery, the core belief remains unchanged. The stone itself is not divine. It is honored because Allah honored it. Why it still matters today. For over 1,400 years, millions have walked around it. Kings, scholars, farmers, children, rich and poor, all equal. The black stone is not about superstition, it is about continuity. From Adam to Ibrahim to Muhammad, peace be upon him, to today. A living connection through time. So next time someone asks, do Muslims worship a stone? You now know the answer. No, they worship the one who created the stone. The black stone is a symbol, a memory, a marker, a reminder that faith is not in objects, but in the unseen creator. And that is the real miracle.